YouTube, what is going on? Your boy back with another vid. And as you can see, we got the Taurus in the background. And today we're going over that tent that I self-installed myself for $30 off of eBay. Was it worth it? Let's go straight over it. All right, guys, let me show you what this eBay 2.5% pre-cut tent looks like. This is what it looks like on the outside. It'll be 2.5%, even though you can still kind of see in there, you know, get the sun out the way. You can still see in there. I guess it's because it's the completely cream interior, but yes, sirree, guys, self-installed all by myself. Not nowhere near a professional tenter. It's probably my third time, you know, messing around with it. Did it probably twice before, like my first cars, and never messed with it again. But yeah, guys, this is how it turned out. Like I said, not perfect. The back window came in 2 pieces, but I mean, not perfect, but hey, for $30 beats paying 200 plus, you know, have a legit shop do it. It's honestly really not too bad. Like slight imperfections there. I know it messed up right here because when I was trying to clean the window, dry it off. Rookie mistake. Just let the film cure before you try and wipe it off. But I was wiping it off, and the whole film moved and creased on me. So, but other than that, I mean, installation not too bad. You feel me? You don't really see any fingers or nothing really down here. So it laid down pretty good. Just use a little bit of heat. Use a little bit of heat. Water, of course. Squeegee. So let me show you the inside and go over the slight imperfection. Well, you can see some imperfection right there where I had to, you know, it was like balled up right here. So I had to, you know, cut some stuff off. But it was either cut it off, leave it like this, or leave it all crinkled up and have the whole window messed up when I go to roll it down. But let me go over this window for you guys. Any imperfections? Well, let me just show you what I can see. Yeah, just this messed up cut right here, because I don't know. Like all the videos you see online where people do tents, they make that just joint look so easy, but it's really not. It really takes some precision. But yeah, I did it pretty much the two I don't know what you call it, the 2 method way. So I did the top part first, put the top, you know, roll the window down, squeeze it, do the top, and then roll the window up, and then pick the film up, make sure it's nice and, you feel me, in the corners, and make sure it's above the line, and you gotta pull this seal back and tuck it in there, or tuck one corner and tuck the other corner and go across. It's really a lot that the tent people make seem so easy, but it's really not. So only imperfection is, you know, probably this cut right here, and then I was doing it outside, so I was kind of rushed. It took pretty much like 2 days. I did it 1 day early before I went to work, and then finished up a little bit when I got off work, and then finished up the rest of it early the next morning. But other than that, it's like little like dust or debris or whatever in the tent. That's the only other thing I see. Right here, you can kind of see it, like all like right here. It's like little fibers or hairs or whatever. If it caught the material or the window or whatever, just in me being outside and it's dusty and dirty. I don't know if that's the thing too, or if I didn't razor, you know, the inside of the window, it's probably still contaminants on it. But whatever, guys, it's just the, you know, lesson learned. So if I got a tenant again, I know what to do and what not to do. But I mean, it's honestly not bad. From the windows roll down, all that good stuff. Still pretty dark. Same thing with the front window. You see right up there where, you know, I had to pre-cut it early. But I mean, other than that, like I said, it's really no fingers. Oh, yeah, a little bit right here. I had to pre-cut. This is the very first window I did. So I just wasn't trying to have it all crinkled up, and if I could just cut it and lay it down flat without it being all crinkled up, because that's the only thing when you got windows that move. You gotta be that precise. Yes, sir. Y'all see the fin in the back with the mirror tints? Yes, sir. But yeah, guys, the back windows, like the, you feel me, stationary windows, they came out, you feel me, fabulous for real. And then it's the back window, like I said, with the 2 pieces. So I think I did the bottom piece lay that on first, and then they give you, in 2 pieces. I try to do the top. So that's that little line you guys see right there, the overlay of the tint. But I was gonna show you guys the whole process of it, but like I said, it took about a day and a half, and I ain't really had space to set up the camera and all that without it, being too much. But yeah, it's not bad, guys. You feel me? All the windows roll down. That's the main part for real. Let me show you real quick. Hold on. Start them on up. Hey, you feel me? Windows all rolled down. You dig what I'm saying? It's a little bit messed up top there when I was squeezing it. It should be all the way up on the edge, but it is what it is, guys. Oops. Like I said, for $30, like, you feel me? Like that edge lined up way better. That's how it's supposed. All right, my bad. Some money bag. Yo, tried to cut on real quick. But yeah, guys, you feel me? Roll the windows down, like on the edges. All good. They're just on this window. The edges ain't too good, but you can't tell. You dig what I'm saying? Then you just keep running on the wrong window. Then this window, not bad at all. Edges cool, clean. So yeah, guys, like I said, for $30 into the sides and the rears, and I still have a little bit of extra tint left remaining still. So for $30, I was able to do the sides and the rear, and with the same tint. Also, did my tail lights, as you guys can see. So I laid it on, just cut out around it. So it gave it more of an aggressive look. I loved it ever since I did it. But this part around here is already, kind of dark, so I just, smacked it up black all the way around. Did it right here. For some reason, this reminded me of the like the Traxxas light right here. But I did the vinyl, the clear Vvivid vinyl right here, so it looks all rainbowy. You guys already know if you stay tuned to the channel. Put that film on pretty much all my cars, so definitely make it stand out a little bit. And then, yeah, same thing on this side. So yeah, like I said, tinted all this myself. Just lay it on, then you just cut around it as smooth as possible as you can. Mess up a little bit right here, but you can't tell. Can't tell for real at all, especially from a distance. Yeah, rainbow right there too. So yeah, guys, for $35 to do the sides, rear, and the tail lights, you cannot beat it. Like that's pretty much like a $280, $300 job that I did for $35. Like, may not, you feel me, look the best, but hey, it works. You feel me? I got my privacy. You feel me? You can still see in there, but nighttime, you feel me? You good. This sun, hold on, let me get to the other side. This sun is messing up everything. But yeah, guys, you feel me? Like, you feel me? You can barely see in there. You feel me? This is with the sun beaming down on it, so. But yeah, guys, so that's an eBay pre-cut film. If you ever wanted to use it and you're a beginner, I would say, it beats paying professional, especially if something you want to practice, and especially if you get good at it, you be able to tint your own car yourself and save yourself hundreds over the time. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Tail lights, windows, back window, all that. Bad boy just really needs a wash. And that's pretty much it. I'll probably get something light put on the windshield, probably like 35 on the windshield or something, just, to complete the look. If I get stopped, I could just practice again. But I ain't gonna practice on the windshield just yet. I wanna make sure I get the sides and the rear done, 100% the right way first before, I take on another skill, another window. But yeah, guys, that is how the Taurus is coming along. Like I said, reliable so far, no issues. I've already put 2,000 miles on it, so I already made pretty much half my money back. So if I just finish up this month, I pretty much make my money back, and then I had this car pretty much for free. Like I said, it's already paid off and all that, so I could either ride it till the wheels fall off or use it as a trade-in to grab me another tour vehicle for my fleet, or I could, just keep it. So, you know, it's options out here. You know, trade it in, keep making my own money, or, you know, flip it back to somebody. Like I said, still a good car, nice car. You need to get from A to B. You know, not bad. Especially now I got the tints in it, ain't really too bad at all. But all right, guys, I ain't trying to bore y'all too bad. So till next time, I'm gone. Oh, hold on. I know you wanted to see the. Oh! I know you wanted to see the mirror tint on the fan. Oh wait. Sheesh. Okay, guys. Till next time. Gone.